business overview of the affiliate retirement plan. So before we can go into affiliate marketing, I really need to have everybody understand what a business is like. What does it take to build a business? And so the first thing that we want to talk about is all these different departments that make up a business. The first one being value creation. Value creation, that sounds weird. What is this value creation? In order for you to have a business, the first thing you have to do is create something that other people value. This can be a course, it could be a piece of software, it can be a product, it can be really anything, right? I mean, it could be coaching, it could be like a service like landscaping or a car wash or something like that. The point is that you have to give value to other people. That's the first step of having a business. And then the next department is going to be administration. So that means you're going to have to get staff. You're going to have to get people that can manage that staff. You're going to have to do bookkeeping. So that's yet another department of a business. And marketing is you're going to have a whole department that's going to spread the word about the product and create leads. Right? Leads is just a technical term. All it really means is potential buyers. All right. So anytime you hear someone say leads, that's all they really mean is potential buyers. And then a sales team that is going to close clients. All right. Close clients. That's another technical term. When you close a client, it really just means that you got that client to purchase something. So they went from a lead to an actual client. So then you created a sale. The value delivery, this really depends on the type of product that you're offering. So of course, it entails the logistics, right? How are you going to deliver it? Is it going to be shipped? Is it going to be downloadable? What is it? And how is it going to get managed? So there's a whole team that takes care of that. And then of course, there's customer service. People that are going to handle issues. They're going to handle the customer support anytime someone has a question or any returns that may come up. So, and this is just the core set of teams that are required to build a business. All right. There is a lot more than just simply this.